Kia Sorento 2.4 engine 2009 to 2015. The intake camshaft position sensor is located on the front right side of the engine, while the exhaust camshaft position sensor is on the back of the engine. Replacing this sensor is very simple. Disconnect the connector, remove the single bolt securing the sensor to the engine, then gently pry the sensor with a screwdriver and pull it out.